As the sun rose over the 100-acre wood, Pooh leapt out of bed and greeted the day with much enthusiasm.
Honey.
Pooh?
More honey, please.
I say, Pooh? Pooh? Oh, do wake up. Pooh!
Bother. I was having the most wonderful dream.